आपने? कुछ समझ आया? ये जो चाइनीज ट्रूप्स ने हमारे इंडियन सोल्जर्स पे, जो 3 सोल्जर्स रात में पेट्रोलिंग कर रहे थे, उन पे बैक स्टैबिंग किया, व्हाट वाज देयर मोटिव? समझ आया कुछ? नहीं ना? We don't know their motive, what was their motive, and what they want from us. We just know that our 20 soldiers have been martyred, have been sacrificed their life for us. यहाँ पे कोई किसी के लिए जान दे रहा है, और ये 21st सेंचुरी है, यहाँ पे 1 रुपया किसी को कोई नहीं देता है और हमारे सोल्जर्स हमारे लिए जान दे रहे हैं. So we are thinking how big deal it is, but what we are supposed to do, that we are doing nothing. We are just wasting the sacrifice of our soldiers. So is it like good? No, it's not good. It's very pathetic. Seriously, it's a pathetic thing. So we need to understand the policies of the Chinese troops, what they want. Simply they are using our money against us. They are establishing like their big MNCs in India for their benefit. We are making them benefit. It's like very sad to say, like nowadays policies are like, nowadays one thing has been started, it's a boycott. Let's boycott Chinese troops. So it's like, we are boycotting or not? No. Yesterday on Amazon or Flipkart, I don't know, day before yesterday or yesterday, a sale has been announced for Redmi Note 9 Pro. Redmi is a brand from China. So within a 90 seconds, the site has been crashed, all the stock out. So this is not a great deal to boycott the things. We need to understand how can we boycott. We can't let go the sacrifice of our soldiers. Like, I don't understand what we people think and what they are going through, what they are going through, what their family is going through. Someone was some son. It's very sad to say we are not doing anything for them. We need to stand for our nation. We need to be one power, one nation. Let's be together. Simply, I just want to say, like, this is the particularly a right time to stop and let's call for a boycott. Let's throw them out of the Indian market. Let's establish our Indian brand and establishing their MNCs who are establishing all over the world but not in India. Let's make Indian brand more popular instead of some freaking Chinese brand which are harming ourselves. Like, if you are like purchasing a label of your, like, simply if you are purchasing a label made in China, you are making them benefit for their nuclear weapons which they have been threatening to us that they will use against us. This is the very what they want to say to us. Like, they are threatening us by using our money, whichever they are getting like fund from the Indian markets. They are going to use against us maybe in future. Surely they'll be using. So what our duty is to make our country proud. Let's be united. This is our time, and throw them out of the Indian market. Simply, I just want to say these things to you. That's why I'm making this video. From the past 1 month, I was kind of very busy. Don't quote me on this. Like, seriously, I was kind of busy, sad. You have gotten the news like Sushant Singh Rajput has been done a suicide. I don't know. Suicide is not the option. Like in the movie Chichori, he has only said that suicide is not the set of anything. Like, what will I say? What he has done is a very brutal thing any person will do. But maybe he has some issues. Maybe he was going through depression which can't be conquered. But suicide is not the solution of anything. May his soul rest in peace. May God give strength to the family and their family members. Yeah, chill. Everything goes on, time heals everything. I just want to say let's boycott. And that's it. See ya, bye bye. I assure you you'll getting the video in next week for sure. Something very special is going to come. Let's make my channel 1000 subscribers. I'll get collab with someone. Sure. See ya. Bye bye.
We need to.
Stand together.
We need to.
Fight together.
We need to.
Unite together.
We need to.
Become one nation, one power. For our soldiers.
For our country.
This is the right time. We can do this. We need to fight back. Who are backstabbed
It's call for boycott.
of Chinese product and their goods.
We the 135 crore people.
People can do this.
Let's not waste the sacrifice.
Of our soldiers.
Yes, we are united.
Yes, we are one.
We are united and happy.